you need to go into self-service and download GeoGebra Classic from your self-service apps. This is a basic on how to use it, which is all that you really need to do for this assignment. So I only want to be concerned about quadrant 1. So I'm going to click and move my screen over so that I can just be concerned about quadrant 1, because that's where my X is positive and my Y is positive. And I'm going to be talking about length, and length is always positive. Distance is always positive. So the first thing that I do is I want to create a line segment. So I need a point. So I click on the point and I put a point. I'm going to put it at 1 and say that each square here is 10. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, and you're going to be using your scale factor from the dimensions of the soccer pitch, which is the field, to draw it. So I want the dimensions. It's not going to be perfect. It's going to be an estimate. So, but I want it so that you don't have a goal off the pitch or a circle that's not in the middle, etc. So say I want to make this length 10 units. That would put me at 11. So I'm going to put another dot at 11. Now, it's going to stay giving me points if I keep pressing that. I have to press this to stop the points where I can move it around. I want to connect these two with a line segment. So I go over here and I go to segment and I start on A and I'm going to B. Okay. So you can make your rectangles by connecting the points with line segments. And then there are some circles in this. So if I want to draw a circle, I click on the circle. I click where my center is going to be for my circle. So say it's going to be up here. And then I spread it out for my radius. Okay. So you got to look at the radius of the circle on the diagram that you find on Google with the dimensions of a soccer field. Okay, I want you to draw a soccer field on GeoGebra, and then you're going to answer some questions. Right? Now, it's going to keep moving like this until I click. So say I want my radius to be 2. So from the center to my circle, it's 2. So I'm going to click, and it will add a point to it so that I have my circle with a radius of 2. It's close to 2. It's 4.19 is 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. Okay? And if you have any questions or problems or concerns with this, come and see me.